It's quite good.
Yeah.
I like to speak.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, we gotta do this.
Oh, I'm loving it. I'm loving it.
Show me more. This way, please. Go this way.
That's awesome. The fans are amazing in Barcelona. They are. The really great thing about them is you get the enthusiasm, but they're very, very respectful. Other places they are. I mean, they're amazing and wonderful as well. They just are very, not disrespectful, but they're very, how can I say?
Hands-on.
Hands-on.
Sure.
They're much more hands-on, and I can only imagine that there will be a lot of interesting questions from what, or actually not what color. Are you wearing any underwear?
Yes.
That's always a good thing.
I am.
Sometimes
Right now I'm not.
Sometimes that's optional.
Right now,
Davis.
Davis is not, but I do get that. It's pretty amazing. And will you marry me? That's a pretty good question.
That's a good question.
And kisses. They ask for kisses on the photo ops.
Yeah,
A lot of times. Oh yeah.
yeah, a lot of kisses.
Yeah.
A lot of kisses.
And if you give one, if you give one kiss, you have to kiss them all. So.
And so,
That goes.
Yeah.
and then, yeah, that's the gateway right there. So you have to be careful.
That's the gateway drug.
Yes.
The real gateway.
Boom. Boom.
Yeah, and here's the problem. Lost was so long ago that any Lost fans are now walking in wheelchairs. So they can't they can't get into to the convention as easily as they could. I do see some Lost fans, and it's pretty awesome. It just reminds me that that it lives.
It lives.
Which is kind of cool.
Badass.
But yeah, everyone, the Lost fans just have the cane to walk with now because they're so old. Actually, you didn't like season 1 as much.
I did not.
Yeah, and then I did.
She didn't even know I was in season 1.
I think just by virtue of the fact that he was having so much fun, and even though the plot was pushing along, trucking along, Damon still found time to smile, and I miss that. This is the guy who, whether he's, I think with a lot of these guys, especially that have this power, I think Damon's the guy that, whether he's saving a kitten out of a tree,
I would like to see that episode.
or he's ripping your throat out, he'll have the same smirk on his face. It'll probably look a little bit like this.
I love it.
Season 5? There are some good lines. I think all of us are starting to, every character now is starting to get into their mode, into their rhythm, I think. For me, everyone else loves every other the season 2 and 3.
Not me.
Mine was, well.
I'm with you, season 1.
Yeah. You love season 2 was your, or season 2 and 3.
When did you become
You also got a lot of love in
2.
You also,
a werewolf in 2?
you also started to get a lot of makeout sessions and
2.
stuff.
I was just one note.
You were on hold in season 1.
I was just one note douchebag in season 1.
Oh wait, no. What was you said at Comic-Con? Like, you made a joke about one-liners or something. That's anyway.
Anyway.
Yeah.
There definitely are some great lines, but I think that there's more to come. I think that
There are better lines to be had.
yeah, of course. Yeah. There are always better lines too.
Yeah.
Well, it's a very vulnerable state because you're there kind of pretty much naked with probably as many people in this room, if not more.
Double.
Kind of just like there all day, and the transformation scenes take a long time to shoot, and you're doing it again and again and again. Don't. No. And no, the physicality of it is very demanding. You have to be a man to go through it.
Did you rehearse the night before, like in the mirror?
No.
And you're
no, actually, I just gotta, no rehearsal part, you know, I could just, yeah, right off the dome, I like that. Just rage out. Honestly, probably double this amount in that small set, which is that small little, that little cellar. No, I had a cocksock. That's what it's called. That's what it's called.
That's what we call it.
That's what, you know.
We have 3 more years.
Technically, yes. As long as
really
3 more seasons. As long as you guys keep watching, and as long as we keep acting.
Will you play another vampire in another show? Probably not. Right?
Most likely, no.
Right.
I don't think that would be.
Yeah.
Would you ever play another werewolf in another?
Absolutely not.
No.
Stop, you would too.
Not that it wouldn't be fun. It just would be.
Wait a minute, that's a TV show.
It would be. It wouldn't be a good idea. But we have 3 more years, and I think the show in season 3, which typically is when most shows will fall off. We started to build. The show got better. The show got bigger. So yeah, absolutely. And so I think. Shut up! You were there.
I was half.
You were half there.
Physically, yes.
Mentally half there. But we have another couple of seasons and another 66 episodes of these characters' arcs and where they go, and it's. I know it will be interesting because we have now the job of making this season going into season 4. It's got to be great. It has to be really great storytelling.
Have you talked to Julie about the art of season 4 at all?
Yeah. So in the beginning of season 4, that would get me fired if I sat here.
Well, I wasn't sure though. Yeah.
I'd spoken about it. Yeah. Season 4 is. The story arc is very, very cool for everyone.
They've broken down half the season already.
Yeah, so we have a lot of it in here. And if,
No spoilers?
if you give us...
They all die!
So when Damon dies in episode 3, it's a really cool death.
Which are your favourite TV programs, shows, what you watch?
Game of Thrones.
Game of Thrones is awesome.
Yeah, it's amazing.
Breaking Bad.
Breaking Bad's amazing. The Wire. Actually, we just named like the best TV. Breaking Bad, Game of Thrones, The Wire.
I've never seen The Wire.
Incredible.
It's really
It's good. Get a bottle of wine, put it in season 1, and just go. We love you guys. We thank you guys from the bottoms of our heart.
Muchas gracias. Yeah.